Assalamu alaikum dear viewers, I am Muhammad Sultan and you are watching my YouTube channel Sultan English Studio. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Dear viewers, आज मैं डॉक्टर फास्टस बाय क्रिस्टोफर मार्लो के MCQs की एक सीरीज़ शुरू करने जा रहा हूँ, जिसके अंदर मैं पार्ट 1 के अंदर 25 क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करूँगा। इसमें मैं क्वेश्चन पढ़ूँगा और उसके बाद आंसर ऑल चॉइसेस नहीं पढ़ूँगा। तो काइंडली सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल, लाइक एंड शेयर also. Let's start. Dr. Faustus sells his soul in exchange for a period of service from the devil. What is this period of time? Answer है 24 years. Faustus signs this contract with the devil in blood. What problem does he encounter? Answer है D. His blood congeals. Question number 3 है, after Faustus finishes signing the contract, 2 Latin words appear inscribed on his arm. Homofuge. What is the translation of these words? Homofuge mean fly man. Question 4 है, the first thing that Faustus does with his powers is question a devil Mephistopheles about the nature of the world. What is one question that Mephistopheles refuses to answer? Who made the world? इसका आंसर देने से वो कासर होता है, Mephistopheles. Question number 5 है, what reason does Mephistopheles give for not answering the question about the nature of the world? Answer है, it is against their kingdom. Question number 6 है, in Faustus' final speech just minutes before his contract term is up, which of these does he ask for? Answer है, for his time in hell to be limited to 100,000 years. Question number 7, what does Faustus do to Carter, the horse courser, Dick, Robin and hostess? इसका आंसर है strike them dumb. Question number 8, at the very end of the play, who is lost to beg Faustus to repent? The old man. Answer है old man. Question number 9 है, an appearance in this play, Faustus is delighted by the sign of them. Answer है the 7 deadly sins. Question number 10 है, when Mephistopheles first enters, Faustus says that he is too ugly and demands him to return as something else. What does he tell Mephistopheles to return as? Answer है a Franciscan friar. Question number 11, Marlowe lived during? Answer है 16th century. Question number 12, the tragical history of Dr. Faustus was written? Answer है 1580 to 90s. Question number 13, Marlowe's most notable contemporary was? इसका आंसर है विलियम शेक्सपियर, जो है मार्लो का हम असर है. The reigning English monarch during Marlowe's whole life was? आंसर है Elizabeth I. Next है 15 question. During his time at Corpus Christi College in Cambridge, Marlowe apparently once planned to take holy orders. Question number 16. Historical evidence suggests that Marlowe worked for the government as spy. 17 question. Marlowe originally went to London to work as playwright. 18 question. Marlowe's first play was Tamburlaine Part 1. Question number 19 है Marlowe died. Answer है both under suspicious circumstances and violently. Question number 20 है after his death accusations surfaced alleging that Marlowe was, इसका आंसर है C. an atheist. Question number 21. Marlowe was rumored to be, Marlowe मशहूर था. C. इसका आंसर है homosexual. Question number 22. Dr. Faustus is the scholar from, आंसर है Germany. Question number 23. Faustus has a servant named, आंसर है Wagner. और क्वेश्चन नंबर है 24. Faustus is a scholar at, आंसर है C. Wittenberg. Question number 25 and the last of this part. According to Catholic and Protestant Christians lore, Satan, कैथोलिक और प्रोटेस्टेंट क्रिश्चियंस की तालीम के मुताबिक जो सैटन है वो है was originally one of the angel before he defied God, कि वो ओरिजिनली तौर पर फरिश्तों में से एक था खुदा का इनकार करने से पहले. तो डियर व्यूअर्स, ये थी मेरी शॉर्ट वीडियो अबाउट द MCQs ऑफ डॉक्टर फास्टस बाय क्रिस्टोफर मार्लोव. वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो इसको लाइक एंड शेयर करें, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. अब तक लिए इतना काफ़ी. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर कमेंट कीजिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.